On this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call problem. Hello guys, welcome back. So first thing you wanna do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here. As you can see, open the apps. Now on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do here is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find WhatsApp, click on it, and then you have to click on this option to stop the app from running. And after that, you have to go down into the storage. This is the internal storage, as you can see. All what you want to do here is click on clear cache, and that's it. Now all what you want to do next is very simple. Turn off your phone, turn it on again, and then reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you have to go to the Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and then click here on this update option if you don't have the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.